What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got some big things going on in terms of the Tesla battery cells and also the $25,000 car development. It's getting a lot of really cool looks from analysts, and analysts really does seem to like this car. It's cheaper, it's more efficient, and I feel like a lot of people definitely be jumping onto the electric train, especially a $25,000 electric vehicle by an amazing brand like Tesla is an absolute no-brainer for a lot of individuals to buy in. People love the Model 3, but at $39,000, it's really expensive. Not everyone can afford it, but if there's a $25,000 EV that's built on the Model 3 skateboard, I'm guessing it's gonna be a hatchback design and priced at, less than the Model 3 and way less, by the way. It's gonna get a lot of sales no matter what happens. Tesla right now is doing everything it can to bring its 4680 battery cells to the upcoming products. And Mizuho Securities is actually giving it a nod of approval, giving Tesla a price target of $820 per share, which is a pretty decent price target. It's not as crazy as what Jefferies and the other analysts are giving out, which are like $1,000. I think $820 is very, very realistic. And according to the analysts from Mizuho Securities, the progress of Tesla's 4680 battery program could be the key for this cheaper Tesla Model 2 $25,000 EV. It's really nice, and this is really ambitious and something that Tesla has never attempted in the past. And keep in mind that the $25,000 EV needs to wow people, since it will be launching exclusively in China and not anywhere else. Now, obviously, perhaps in a couple years after the initial launch of the Model 2, we could be seeing the vehicle expanding to other areas. But at this current moment, we're not seeing any sort of plans for factory production for the Model 2 in other continents. Right now, if you check the Shanghai Gigafactory Phase 2, it's currently under production. Massive steel beams are being set up. There's tractors, machinery, dirt piling up. They're obviously going to be gearing up for this brand new Tesla model. It makes no sense for them to make another factory for the Model Y or another factory for the Model 3. It makes absolutely zero sense since they already got those factories. It's obviously for the $25,000 EV. There's even an official filing with the Chinese government that Tesla wants to be producing a brand new model for this new plotted land. And keep in mind, this $25,000 Tesla, it better be having some really cool stuff or it can't keep up with the competition. Right now, even smartphone brands in China like Xiaomi and Huawei are coming out with their own electric vehicles, and the pricing is extremely competitive. Most Chinese brands are pricing their cars at $20,000 to $30,000, while the Tesla Model 3 is at roughly $39,000 to $40,000. And I feel like having the 4680 battery cells inside the $25,000 EV will get a massive nod, not just from the analysts out there on Wall Street, but also from the everyday consumers. And also keep in mind that this 4680 battery cell is going to be a massive collab between LG, Panasonic, and Tesla themselves, and it should be increasing production as fast as possible. Mizuho Securities has been talking about how the 4680 battery cells will be paving the way for the company's next generation of electric vehicles. It's going to be really great. Now, what I'm guessing when the Model 2 will be releasing is going to be sometime at around Q3 or Q4 of this year. Since the research and design team has already been at it for a very long time, I'm guessing they should be releasing the vehicle very, very soon. Right now, Tesla stock is being really iffy, and I feel like this massive launch of the $25,000 vehicle will absolutely be sold out the moment pre-orders will be announced. It's a really big deal. It's really cheap. $25,000 and $40,000 is a massive difference. You could almost buy two of the Tesla Model 2s for a totally upgraded Model 3. That's exactly how strong it is. And speaking of the Shanghai Gigafactory, Tesla is also improving the factory, not just their vehicle lineup, because recent documents were submitted to the Shanghai authorities that have showed that Tesla plans to be adding an EV parts recycling facility in the Gigafactory Shanghai. Because the Gigafactory Shanghai accounts for roughly 30 to 45% of all Tesla sales, this planned facility will allow Tesla to repair crucial parts like battery cells, electric motors, and also reproduce these. It's kind of like, they're trying to operate in a more efficient and environmentally friendly manner because China is really strict about the transportation sector lately. If you could do something that's very sustainable, environmentally friendly, they'll definitely give it a green light. If it's not, it's going to take a very long time, and you could even be straight up denied to expand. And just doing this, I feel like Tesla could definitely gain an upper foothold among its competitors. And last year alone, I mean, China has sold more than 1 million electric and hybrid vehicles, even during this massive pandemic. And Tesla documents has also indicated that the companies will be adding in massive manufacturing capacities for external structures, electric motor controllers, etc. And Tesla China is trying to find the best supply chains for the Model Y and the Model 3. They're trying to get the cars up and running as fast as possible and try to get the cars pumped out really fast so the consumers that have ordered them will get the vehicles. Tesla is only recycling the vehicle's batteries at this current moment, but they should be expanding to other areas. I feel like this is going to be really nice, especially how it does address environmental and also economic concerns. And I feel like joining into this nice recycling engineering is great. And I'm pretty sure that Tesla China will be announcing several new job postings. So I guess if you're in Tesla China right now and you're an engineer or whatever, and you want to apply for a job, go ahead. And there's some negative media reports lately with Tesla. It's kind of like a lot of that white noise. But let's see what happens. I feel like there's a lot of drama, especially in terms of media. The cars, the factories, and the overall projection of the company is fine. But I think there's just so much, really weird and also really bad media being portrayed on Tesla at this current moment. But I feel like if you're an investor in Tesla, buying calls, buying stocks, might as well just ignore all that kind of stuff. Right now, Tesla adding a brand new EV parts recycling facility into their brand new Shanghai Gigafactory is really amazing. And then over the corner, you got the Shanghai Gigafactory 2, which is currently producing the $25,000 Tesla EV. Steel beams, once again, are being put up. Dirt is getting excavated. You got machinery everywhere. It's looking very good. I think the Model 2 will be an absolute hit. And the 4680 battery cells. There's also heavy rumors about how Tesla could be making a battery facility in Shanghai as well, because they even made a full charging station stall, the supercharger V3 production facility right next to the Shanghai Gigafactory. I mean, you don't even have a dedicated supercharging facility in its domestic country of the United States. I mean, Chinese electric cars are being sold like hotcakes. Everyone wants an electric vehicle, and I feel like the best recipe for Tesla to get increased sales is to launch the $25,000 Tesla as soon as possible. Everyone is guessing a release of the car around late 2021, and then production will start next year, 2022. Everything is being sped up. Initially, everyone thought that this car would be coming out around 2024, but I guess, autopilot, battery production, semis, they're all being sped up by 1 to 3 years. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment below. How do you guys feel about what Tesla is doing? Do you guys approve of the Model 2? Do you guys like it? Or do you think that Tesla is kind of diluting their own brand with cheaper vehicles? What do you guys think? Definitely comment below and subscribe for more Tesla videos.